Hey everybody, Mr. Beltran here, and today we're going to go over some square dancing. Okay, now square dancing is normally done in groups, okay, but we're going to try to do it by ourselves today, okay? So the first thing you have to imagine is that there is a square on the ground in front of you. Okay, now remember square's got four sides, okay, so we're going to have four sides just like a room would have four walls. We're pretending there's a square on the ground. On each side of the square, there would be two people, you and a partner, facing towards the middle of the square. So right now, if I was on this line right here, my partner would be next to me, either on this side or on my other side. Okay, and that's about how big I would imagine the line of the square is. Okay, and then there would be another set of partners on the line on the side here, facing towards the middle of the square. Okay, same thing with the other side. Two people, and then the last side over here, but they would be facing, their backs would be facing the camera because they would be facing in towards the square. Okay, so you got to keep in mind, try to imagine that square on the ground if you want to, or you need to put some string down, or some tape, or something to mark a square, you can. Okay, I'm just going to use my imagination to pretend there's a square there. Like I said, normally there would be 8 people. You and a partner would be on one line facing the middle, and each of the other lines would have partners facing towards the middle of the square. For my partner today, I'm going to use Mr. Teddy Bear over here. This is going to be my partner. Okay? You can also just use an imaginary partner if you want. Okay? It doesn't have to be. You can just pretend there's someone there. There will be times where you're going to be doing things with your partner, so that's why it's nice to actually have something to hold to pretend that is a partner, but if not, no big deal. So in this first one, this first song for square dancing, it's going to say circle around the circle. Okay, so now I know it's a square dancing, but when they say circle, it just basically means go around the square. Okay, so you and your partner, now if my partner was on this side, they would always stay on this side of me. So when we're going around in the circle, they would be going around the circle in front of me until we got back to our spot, okay? And then it's going to tell us to join hands with our partner and circle around your partner. So this time, instead of going all the way around, I'm going to join hands with my partner, holding my 2 teddy bear hands here, and I'm just going to make a circle in our spot. We're just going to go around each other until we get back to the same side that we were on, okay? Now again, if you don't have a teddy bear, or you don't want to use a teddy bear, imaginary partner, I'm just going to walk a circle around them back to my spot, okay? Last part for this song is it's going to say honor your partner. Now honor your partner, there's 2 things you can do. You can bow or curtsy. A bow, okay, pretty simple. You would just put your hands at your sides, bend at the waist. Now if I'm doing it to my partner would be next to me, so I'm going to face my partner, and I just bow. Curtsy, it's a little bit difficult to see on there, okay, but I would put my hands out to the sides, and I would cross my legs, and I'm just going to bend my knees, and I'm just going to go straight down and up. Okay, I just bend my knees a little bit, down and up, all right? So those are the 2 things when it says honor your partner. You can choose which one you want, okay, but you'll be facing towards your partner while you do it, okay? So let's go ahead and try this first one here. Those are all the moves you're going to need to know for this one. I'm going to grab my hands.
Join inside hands and get ready to walk. Walk around the circle.
Okay, so we're going to walk around the circle. Back to our original spot.
Join both hands with your partner. Circle left around your partner.
Walking around my partner in my space. Back to my spot.
Rock both hands. Honor your partner. Walk.
Oh, we're going to walk again.
Walk around
See, and it
the
just
circle.
repeats. We're going to do the same thing again. Walk around the circle. Back to your
Join
spot.
both hands. Circle around your partner.
Circle around my partner.
Rock both hands. Honor your partner. Walk.
All right. Let's do it one more time here.
Walk around the circle.
Walking around. Only got to make one circle.
Both hands.
Okay.
Circle around your
Same thing when you're
partner.
circling around your partner. You just got to go one time around. No reason to go more than once. Okay? And then
Honor your
honor my
partner.
partner.
Walk.
and then we do it again, okay? But we'll stop right there since you hopefully have the hang of it there. Okay, so that is some basic moves that you would do in square dancing. Okay, what's nice about square dancing is it tells you what to do. So if you're listening to the song, the words are going to tell you what the move is. So once you learn the moves, all you have to do is listen and then you'll know what to do. Okay, so this next one, in addition to some of those moves that we already know here, okay, you're going to also need to know into the center and back. So remember I told you we have that imaginary square, you and your partner standing next to each other on one of the lines facing the middle of the square. Okay? When it says into the center and back, they want you to walk into the middle of the square and then come on back out of the square. Okay? Only 1 or 2 steps, so I'm just going to do 1, 2, and then back. Okay, that's all. Okay, because imagine there's 8 of you, 2 on each line. If all of you are going into the center at the same time, you guys can bump into each other, right? So you don't want to be going too fast. You don't want to be taking big steps. Everyone just takes 2 steps in, 2 steps out. Okay, so into the center and back. Okay, and then some of the other calls are going to be similar to the ones that we did in that first song. So you should already know them. Okay, so let's give it a shot here. Oh, so we're going to go around our circle. Just 1 circle is fine. 2. See, now back out. Oh, now they want us to go the other way. So we're going to go the other way. Now remember, now I'm in front of my partner, because I'm on this side of my partner. Center, back, center, back, oh, back to the left. Keep your partner in front of you. Other way. All right, we're going to go ahead and stop right there. So that's kind of the idea behind square dancing. Okay, you have a partner, you're in a group of 8, you have that imaginary square on the ground. Okay, each partners are on a line facing towards the middle of the square. Okay, and then it'll tell you what moves you need to do as the song goes. Okay, and it kind of it's pretty repetitive as far as what to do. Okay, it'll add more moves as we go. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to stop right there. That's just a little bit of a taste, a little intro to what it is. The next time, we'll practice a few more moves and see how we do on those, okay? Don't forget to do your stretches. Don't forget to fill out that Google form. I'll see all of you next time.